So what's up, this is Jet Speed, and we're going to be doing a challenge from DT's channel. This is one of his really old challenge videos. This is his very first one, from over 7 years ago. We had to go to Big Wave Beach, I believe it was 22. Oh, this ought to be fun. Using sunflower, lily pad, citron, walnut, cabbage pulp, iceberg lettuce, and spikeweed. Now, his notes are, he failed twice. His notes are, this challenge was quite difficult. Fishermen's and octos gave me a lot of trouble, and the fact that citron is costly and has slow firing rates made me frustrated. I decided to plant citron early, use walnut and sunflower as baits, and quickly took octos out using citron's PF. In the end, I didn't notice the last octo zombie and spammed PFs. I had to constantly delay that octo and beat him. Overall, quite frustrating. Well, shouldn't be that bad. As you can tell, I am joking. We're playing this in the latest version, so obviously a few things will be slightly different, but it shouldn't be that bad. Now, one thing is we do get to use lily pad, so I mean, at least there's that. A slot is not allowed, so I'll just bring in Gravebuster. And let's go. I don't know how many times I'm gonna fail this, but hopefully shouldn't be too bad. I'll put walnuts like really up front, just for ease. I haven't really played too much vanilla, so I mean, you know, I've beaten vanilla like multiple times, but I'm saying I haven't like played it in a long time because of all the mods, you know, that exist. Also, I thought walnut had a lot more health, but apparently I was wrong. Oh. Nope. Oh, he's gonna be a prick. Oh, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna have to use PF early, just so we can get that out. Uh-oh. Perfect. Should probably get more of these set up. Octo is going to be a bitch, I just realized. Octo is going to be horrible. That could spell really bad news. Speaking of which, here he comes. If you could see me smiling, you would know it's fake. Uh-oh. To be fair, they never said anything about not losing any lawnmowers. So, I mean, that could be my little scapegoat excuse. But they just sacked a citron. How did a citron die? Oh, wait. Out of here. Yeah, I probably should have tried harder to get citrons set up early. As you can tell, I'm kind of feeling the repercussions of that. Although, fishermen do make for a good opportunity to stall out. Oh, Jesus Christ. No! Uh-oh. You can see I'm really struggling here. So you know what? That's why we do these. That's why we're going to be doing these. DZ has hundreds of these challenges, so I'm definitely not going to run out. safe to say. You know, we can get rid of it. Forgot how much health Octo has. But hey, we did it! Oh, that was quite surprising. I didn't think I'd be able to do it first try. Huh. Alright. Well, that was the first challenge. I'll probably be back for more, since, you know, I don't like myself. So, yeah. That was the first challenge. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know. Tell me what the games you want me to play. But I would also like you to give me some challenges of your own, because sooner or later I'm gonna run out of challenges. So keep that in mind. And yeah, with that, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.